Hello and welcome. My name is David. If you are just joining me for the first time, I really want to say welcome. Yes, my channel is all about design, creating design for passive income. Do you want to make passive income from print on demand and you're just watching me for the first time? Well, I have to tell you that's what my channel is about. I create these designs and it's going to act as an inspiration for you guys to make your own design and upload it to sites like Redbubble, Public, Teespring and Match by Amazon. For today, this is going to be a t-shirt mock-up design. Yes, a t-shirt mock-up design on Placeit. I'm going to be showing you how to make t-shirt mock-up. If you've not done that for yourself, or if you are finding a super easy way to do it for yourself, this video is for you. This is a Placeit tutorial. Yes, a Placeit tutorial show you how to use Placeit mockups for your t-shirt design. If you want to advertise your design on social media, then you need a realistic mockup for your design. I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to go straight right onto it and create this mockup for you. It's quite easy, as you've already seen. If you've noticed, there's a tab called mockup, so you just over your mouse to that tab, okay, and you come to t-shirt and click on that. Yes, I'm on Pro, so I have access to a lot of mockup. You might be on the free version and you just have access to the free ones. Well, I will tell you, I'm going to show you how to get 15% off Placeit, so make sure you stick around so that you don't miss that for yourself. So as you can see, we've gotten here and we have a lot of mockups you can choose from. You can see how they look without your design on them and how they look with your design on them. So it's that easy to create all this mockup, and I'm going to be showing you how to create one. I'm going to be using one. Obviously, maybe I should use the first one at the top, okay, or let me just see if I can find another one. All right, so this would have been a good one. Okay, this would have definitely been a good one. So we can use this, or just scroll again and find something different. All right, so we can use this also. You can see how easy it is to find these mockups. It should not take you a lot of time at all. So for this one, I really don't want to use any of those ones we just saw last, so we'll go back up. There are a lot of them actually. So you can see over 300 pages. This is an age group and tags and all those things. So for this one, I'm just going to use the very first one. I can decide to come to tag and just use apparel, automotive and whatever. I can decide to use Christmas also, and it's going to open and give me Christmas tags, Christmas mockups, and we can decide to use this for our design. Okay, you can decide to use this for the design. All right, so this one will be a good one with the gifts and all. So let's use that. So that will be a good one. Where did it disappear to? Okay, let's use this. So I'll just click on this one. All right, I've made some Christmas designs in the past, so I'll just go and use one of that. Okay, I'll use the one from yesterday's video for this one. So it's quite easy. It should not be complicated. It should not take you a lot of time to make this design at all. Trust me, it should never take you a lot of time for a design, and that's why Placeit is a super cool app. You don't need to do all the necessary extra graphics to create something for yourself. All you need to do is to upload your design onto this, and it's going to do the design for you. You can change the color of the shirt, you can change the background, it's up to you. But to start with, let's go upload our design. So we'll just click on that, upload from device. Okay, so you can do upload from device. I'll go to downloads. Okay, let me do t-shirt. So let me do t-shirts, because I know I have a lot of t-shirt designs I've worked on in the past. So I can just go over and just find one that I will use. So let me try to use from my yesterday's video. Okay, let me pick this one and just press my enter button. Okay, so I'll just use this one, and you can see you're going to see the magic. You're going to see the magic for yourself. The magic will happen just here for you to see, and you see it how amazing it is. Not complicated. So click on crop. I just did it to make it cover this space. Okay, I can move it downward like you see here. All right, so now we just crop it. Okay, and you just watch the magic happen for yourself. So if you're interested in this kind of mockups, then Placeit is where you want to be. Okay, so you can see how it is on our shirt. It's quite easy, not complicated at all. Not complicated at all. You can decide to change the shirt color. You can decide to change the background color. So to change the background color, you can come here and change the background color. Okay, you can decide to change the background color to blue. All right, I like this background color. Obviously my thumbnail for YouTube is usually blue, so I like this color. Also, you can decide to change the shirt color if you want to. If you want to change the shirt color, you can decide to change that for yourself. But do I want to change that? I don't think so. You can see how easy it is to change the shirt colors. You can change it to any color you enjoy the most. You can make it green. Green is part of the Christmas color, we all know that. But for me, I don't think I want to make it green at all. Okay, I don't think I want to make it green. Yes, I can leave it at this green and just save it. The next thing you want to do is just to hit download. Once you are done, okay, you just hit the download button. It's going to prepare your download. The cool thing about Canva is you can actually sell your design. You can see it says make a t-shirt design, selling apparel, try our design template. So you can see a lot of design templates you can choose from. Placeit is super amazing. So our design is done processing. All we need to do is to click on the download and it's going to download for us. Once it's done downloading, we can view our mockups, our t-shirt mockup, and then you can just put your design on them, multiple design, and promote it on social media, link to your Redbubble, your Teespring, your Match by Amazon store, and you are good to go. Let's just show ourselves this design. So you can see it's quite easy to create this design. See how easy it was to create this design for yourself. Remember, Placeit is super easy to use. So to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist to get 15% off of Placeit. Make sure you check the first link in the description for that for yourself. And with that said, I'll definitely see you on the next one. Stay blessed. I love you.